Anyway, what are you guys doing to keep cool in these hot days? Leave a comment below. Let me know how you're staying cool.
Tiger, kom swipe min tillkap, dem fjäsen dem drop. Crayon kommer flying over the head, come pop straight in your head. Come with the snake. Pipe one whip is just great. My style element is rig. Off your face in it.
Hello YouTube, Mountainous here. Today it's super hot and we're gonna ride some BMX. I'm gonna go get a slushie or an ice cream and I'm bringing you along on the adventure. And today I'll be riding my Huffy Bmx Racing Cruiser. This is a 24-inch race bike with an aluminum frame. Now I have took this to Farmer City around the track. It's a pretty awesome bike. I did order a new drivetrain, so I got new pedals, cranks, chainring, and all that good stuff coming. Sealed bottom bracket, which is going to upgrade the bike. But yeah, I broke my hand at Farmer City Racetrack a month ago in a race, so I haven't been able to ride or make videos, and I don't have that on video or I would have showed you already. Now I wanted to make a video talking about the injury and what I went through, because it was pretty brutal, but I haven't had the time due to a family auction we're getting ready for and some home repairs that I've been doing. But anyway, we're going to ride today and I'm back. Remember, if you enjoy my content, comment, like, and subscribe, and we're going to bring in the WUSHURICHARD music in 3, 2, 1.
Doubt yourself, because only time will tell. Look inside yourself. Do you really have to live in hell? Walk alone in the cold, feel warm in your heart, and open up your eyes and realize that's every start. Do what you feel, be who you want. You don't have to waste your time in this life. Do what you want, be who you can. You don't have to ever ask yourself why. Do what you feel, be who you want. You don't have to waste your time in this life. Do what you want, be who you can. You don't have to ever ask yourself why. Time can't pass you by. You're always walking in your steps.
Well guys, there's Dave's, the big grocery store with a pop shop, but I don't think I need a pop, I need ice cream. Let's head to Dairy Queen and get an ice cream. Well guys, before I head out to Dairy Queen to get ice cream, I decided to sit in the shade here by Dave's. The reason I came downtown is I had to go to the post office to mail a couple bills. But anyway, I'm going to sit here for a minute, cool off, then I'm going to head to Dairy Queen to get an ice cream and just cruise around town. Let's do it big, baby. By the way, guys, this Huffy is sick, man. I love this bike. Super rad. Man, it sure feels good to be out on my bike. I haven't rode in so long. Man, I love it. It's a nice day in small town USA. Just chilling all day, gonna get ice cream and then go home and make burritos and watch movies in the air condition. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, I just stopped and said hi to my friend Dustin. I haven't seen him in a long time. He runs a muffler shop here in town. This is the old parking lot of the old Tasty Freeze. You could get ice cream here. Anyway, we're close to Dairy Queen. Let's go get some ice cream, baby. Come on, man, give me the green. I need my Dairy Queen. Come on. I'll tell you what, guys, it's freaking hot. I am sweating bullets, dude. It's about 95 with humidity. It's brutal. Oh yeah, guys, Dairy Queen. Time for some ice cream. I used to go here when I was a little kid. I can't wait to enjoy my blizzard. I got an Oreo blizzard, a medium Oreo blizzard. And on this hot day, it's gonna be so good. This is gonna be awesome. I used to sit here when I was a little kid at this Dairy Queen, right at these very tables. Now, I didn't come here a lot because I didn't have a lot of money. We grew up kind of poor. But here I am with my new bike. Just had fun riding my BMX, saw an old buddy, and now I'm sitting here for an Oreo blizzard. Let's do it. I'll tell you what, guys, I'm sweating bullets. Whew. This is gonna be good. Oreo's always the best. Oh yeah. That hits the spot. I got some straw bales on the way. They'll be here in a couple weeks, so outdoor archery videos will start. I got a new crossbow. I got like 2 or 3 new bows, bunch of new arrows, so hopefully we'll do some archery too coming up soon, and you'll see me back at Farmer City racing by the end of the summer, hopefully, when my hand is fully healed. I should be able to do some freestyle videos soon, some of the basic tricks that don't require too much strength with my hand. Anyway, what are you guys doing to keep cool in these hot days? Leave a comment below. Let me know how you're staying cool. Well, guys, I'm home now. I had a super fun time riding my BMX today. I'm glad I could bring you along on the adventure. Remember, if you enjoy my content, comment, like, and subscribe. And until the next adventure, Mountainous out.
Tiger, come swipe and take up them face and them drop. Crane come a flying over the head, come pop straight in your head. Come with the snake. Pipe one whip is just great. My style element is rigged. Off your face and they drop in mid chamber. Nah man, I might just drop up in the grave. Bad white tiger, look it up your head, stick right in the python with the crane flag. That's right, lightning. Man drop there cause I'm a sniper. Boss, check it right now. Bad white tiger, look it up your head, stick right in the python with the crane flag. That's right, lightning. Man drop there cause I'm a sniper. Boss, check it right now. Shadow coming over my shoulder. Damn host time and looking at the wall for 10 years. I'm all cause make it the focus. Unlike your goddamn fools and mogas. Sitting on my lotus, hocus pocus. Night day, motherfucker, got spirits more than your cold ass ghost. But me don't check on no me, don't do drugs, you know. Me never gonna take no.